In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in Canva. This quick feature is perfect when you need to update a word, a phrase, or a name across an entire design without hunting through every text box. Whether you're fixing a typo in multiple places, refreshing a product name, or standardizing a date format, this will save you time and help keep your design consistent. Start by logging into Canva and opening the design you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct file, especially if you work with similar templates or multiple versions. If your design spans several pages, that's absolutely fine. Find and replace will scan across the whole project. If you're making a big update and want extra peace of mind, consider working on a copy of your design so you can compare before and after. With your design open, head to the top left of the editor and click File. From that menu, choose Find and Replace Text. This opens Canva's search tool right inside your workspace. You'll see a simple interface where you can review every place your chosen text appears in the design. Canva will highlight matches so they're easy to spot, even if they're tucked inside different text boxes or spread across pages. What's great here is the control you have. Instead of manually clicking through each text element on your canvas, you can review matches from the panel and make updates from one place. If you're changing something common, like a brand name, you can update it everywhere at once. If you need to be selective, maybe you only want to change it in headings, you can go one match at a time and leave the rest as they are. A few tips as you work. Keep an eye on capitalization and punctuation, so your replacements fit naturally within sentences and titles. Watch for partial words. For example, replacing a short word could affect longer words that contain it, so reviewing your matches is worth the extra second. If anything doesn't look right after an update, you can quickly undo and adjust your approach. Also, give your design a quick scan afterward to confirm spacing, line breaks, and styling still look the way you expect, especially in tight layouts. And that's all there is to it. Open your design, go to File, select Find and Replace Text, and let Canva do the heavy lifting. With just a couple of clicks, you can clean up inconsistencies and keep your project polished and professional.